Introducing the Ninja Blender Duo with micro-juice technology. The blender that crushes, juices, and keeps drinks fresh up to 48 hours. You can use DrinkSaver with both the 72-ounce pitcher and the 20-ounce single-serve blending cup. When using the pitcher, blend your ingredients using the desired program. When blending is complete, press DrinkSaver and then store in the fridge. When using the single-serve blending cup, load your ingredients and select your blending program. When your drink is made, press DrinkSaver and then store in the fridge. When you're ready to enjoy, release the vacuum seal and pour into a glass. To store the rest of your batch blend, reattach the lid, secure the pitcher to the base, and press DrinkSaver to store fresh. If using the single-serve blending cup, take off the Pro Extractor Blades assembly and twist on the sealed spout lid to take on the go. For more information and recipes, visit ninjakitchen.com.